Learning Factory runs a lot of different kinds of Bill Nights, and Artist in a Residence program is a type of Bill Nights where we collaborate with artists that have been recruited from the arts and architecture department.
The work that I do fit really well with the Learning Factory because there's a lot of science that goes into sound sculptures and soundscapes and interacting with music in a more modern way that isn't addressed anywhere outside of contemporary music and music schools.
I think a lot of the types of art I do, especially when I'm doing mold making projects, are somewhat technical. I may not approach it like an engineer because I'm not an engineer, but it involves a lot of trial and error, being able to have flexible thinking and work your way through a problem, try something else. And I thought that those sorts of projects would be really fun to do with people who might be more analytically inclined.
The goal of this entire thing was to break down this esoteric barrier between highbrow art in music and what people interact with on a daily basis.
During the workshops, I think the students had a lot of fun. I saw a lot of smiles, a lot of laughter, and they seemed to really focus on what they were doing, especially during the life casting and the 3D printed silicone project. I hope that it gave them a skill that they could then duplicate on their own after the workshop.
I think there's art in math and in engineering, and you just need the medium in order to articulate that.
There is endless possibilities and more opportunity for students all around the campus to come together, work, and see it's not just traditional engineering things you can work with. You can work with anything, and the artists help bridge this.